Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily get silica pearls in ARK. To begin, understand that silica pearls are a crucial resource for crafting advanced items like electronics and various structures. They are typically found in aquatic environments, ranging from shallow rivers and lakes to the deepest ocean trenches. Knowing their common spawn points and effective collection methods will significantly boost your farming efficiency and overall progress in the game. Let's dive into the best strategies. For early game or safer collection, focus on shallow water areas. You can often spot silica pearls as small, shiny white objects scattered across the seabed in rivers, lakes, and even some coastal regions. Manual collection is a straightforward method here. Consider bringing a reliable aquatic mount, such as an otter, which can passively collect pearls, or a megalodon for protection against smaller threats. These areas are generally less dangerous, making them ideal for new players to gather this essential resource. When you are ready for a greater challenge and higher yields, venture into the deep ocean. Here, vast quantities of silica pearls can be found in trenches, underwater caves, and around specific rock formations. For these expeditions, a powerful aquatic creature is essential. A basilosaurus provides excellent protection from electrophorus and cnidaria, while a tusoteuthis offers both combat prowess and a good harvesting radius. Remember to equip a full set of scuba gear to maximize your underwater breathing time. To truly maximize your silica pearl farming, consider using specialized creatures. An anglerfish, for example, significantly increases the number of pearls harvested per node, making your efforts much more efficient. Establishing a small underwater outpost near a known rich pearl spawn point will drastically reduce travel time and allow for more frequent collection runs. Additionally, regularly clearing out pearl nodes in an area encourages faster respawn rates, ensuring a continuous supply of this valuable resource for all your crafting needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.